This train's no good, is it, James?
No.
There's nowhere to sit on that one, is there, James?
No.
Can't go on that one.
Doncaster and York. This train has 9 coaches.
Ah, he's stopping on the red light, James. Red light.
Tomato green.
Yeah,
Tomato green.
yeah.
The next train to arrive at
Time to
platform
go.
7 will be the
James, tell me when the light changes.
Tomato green.
Yeah, he'll go.
New Street.
When it's green, he'll go, James.
Stanford,
We're going there. We're going there. Time to go.
Leicester,
It's time to go.
Yes.
Parkway.
It's nice to watch the trains go,
It's
James.
time to go.
Has 3
Yes.
coaches. First class accommodation can be found in Zone 5. Standard class in Zones 4 and 3.
They go that way. They got one
He's going
back.
the other way, yeah, he's going the other way. Oh, he's getting ready to go.
Oh, that way. Oh, go that way.
Just going a little bit, still a red light though, isn't it? Sorry, James. Red light. What's Simone doing? It's a long train, isn't it, James?
No.
No good, but long.
No.
Can't go on that
And
one.
then where is Purple Train? Where is it?
10 minutes.
What, 10 minutes?
So tell James our train's in 10 minutes, James.
10 minutes. And then that going too.
Some red lights, yeah, he still has to stop because it's a red light.
Platform 7 of the 1454 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street,
Our train, kids.
Cornet, Stamford, Oakham, Melton Mowbray,
Simone,
Leicester,
what do they make in Melton Mowbray, Simone?
Parkway, and
Pork pies, well done, Simone.
this train has 3 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in Zone 5, standard class in Zones 4 and 3.
It's going in a minute, James, going in a minute.
They're going.
When the light changes.
And where's the green?
Wait for green, well done,
Where's
James.
the green? Where's the green?
Coming,
Where is it?
it's coming, James, it's coming.
Where's the green?
Yes.
Oh, purple.
Oh, that's our train, James.